Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to hold your yarn. Now, if you're an absolute beginner, the key really is finding the way that's going to feel the most comfortable for you. So I'm going to show you 3, and then I'm going to show you one more that is my personal favorite. Okay, so start by making a slip knot. So I have a whole video about this, I'll link it, but basically I just twist my yarn over, reach through the little opening, and then grab the yarn that's the shorter end, okay, while holding on to both ends. Perfect. Here's my slip knot. The absolute easiest beginner friendly way to hold your yarn is to just place it over top of your index finger, your pointer finger, okay, just like this. It's not behind any of my other ones. And then holding on to the knot here with your thumb and middle finger. This one I think is very good, especially if you have naturally super tight tension, because it's very loose and it helps your work be a little bit looser. Okay, so that is method 1. Okay, method 2 starts over top of the pinky and then wraps around the pinky one more time, and then over top of the rest of the fingers. Okay. Once again, controlling your tension with your pointer finger and pinching the knot with your thumb and middle finger. Okay, that is method 2. Okay, method 3 is once again wrapping the yarn behind your pinky finger, then this time going behind the 2 middle fingers and over top of the index, just like this. Okay, and then controlling your tension with your pointer finger once again. Okay, like that. And last but not least is my absolute favorite method. This is the way that I always do it, but again, you have to really find what works for you. So my method is it goes over top of the ring finger, under and behind the middle finger, and then over top of the pointer finger. So it looks like this. Okay, and then I pull my yarn like that. So I'll show you one more time. Behind this guy, or sorry, over top of this guy, behind this guy, and over top of this guy. Okay, and then I control my tension with my pointer finger by basically pulling like this. Okay, this is it. Comment your favorite and let me know if I missed any.